Dogecoin value equivalent to 4 or 6 or 7 rands a coin. The present cost range, 390, 367, 420, 611. The earlier day close, 420, 639. The change was 0.1032 248%. Opposite rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at 578 rands. Exorbitant cost 653, while low cost 567. They found the middle value of cost 602. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 610, change for July 5%. Dogecoin figure for August 2024, before all else cost at 610 rands. Excessive cost 758, while low cost 610. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 672. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 708, change for August 1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2024, before all else cost at 708 rands. Excessive cost 821, while low cost 78. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 751. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 767, change for September 3%. Dogecoin gauge for October 2024. To start with cost at 767 rands. Exorbitant cost 8,000, while low cost 696. They found the middle value of cost 753. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 748, change for October 25%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 748 rands. Exorbitant cost 748, while low cost 604. They found the middle value of cost 687. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 649, change for November 2%. Dogecoin gauge for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 649 rands. Exorbitant cost 773, while low cost 649. They found the middle value of cost 698. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 722, change for December 2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place, cost at 722 rands. Exorbitant cost 722, while low cost 592. They found the middle value of cost 668. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 637, change for January 8%. Dogecoin estimate for February 2025. First and foremost cost at 637 rands. Exorbitant cost 662, while low cost 576. They found the middle value of cost 624. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 619, change for February 8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 619 rands. Excessive cost 703, while low cost 611. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 648. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 657, change for spring 61%. Dogecoin estimate for April 2025. To start with cost at 657 rands. Excessive cost 657, while low cost 566. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 622. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 609, change for April 3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at 609 rands. Exorbitant cost 609, while low cost 508. They found the middle value of cost 568. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 546, change for May 3%. Dogecoin gauge for June 2025. To start with cost at 546 rands. Exorbitant cost 677, while low cost 546. They found the middle value of cost 601. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 633, change for June 9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 633 rands. Exorbitant cost 688, while low cost 598. They found the middle value of cost 641. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 643, change for July 6%. Dogecoin gauge for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 643 rands. Exorbitant cost 699, while low cost 607. They found the middle value of cost 651. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 653, change for August 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 653 rands. Exorbitant cost 810, while low cost 653. They found the middle value of cost 718. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 757, change for September 15.9%. Dogecoin estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 757 rands. Excessive cost 863, while low cost 751. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 795. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 807, change for October 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 807 rands. Excessive cost 807, while low cost 697. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 765. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 749, change for November 2%. Dogecoin conjecture for December 2025. At the outset cost at 749 rands. Excessive cost 839, while low cost 729. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 775. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 784, change for December 7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at 784 rands. Excessive cost 853, while low cost 741. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 794. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 797, change for January 7%. Dogecoin estimate for February 2026. To start with cost at 797 rands. Excessive cost 867, while low cost 753. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 807. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 810, change for February 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at 810 rands. Excessive cost 866, while low cost 752. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 809. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 809, change for spring 1%. Dogecoin estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 809 rands. Exorbitant cost 850, while low cost 738. The found the middle value of cost 798. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 794, change for April 9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at 794 rands. Exorbitant cost 804, while low cost 698. The found the middle value of cost 762. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 751, change for May 4%. Dogecoin gauge for June 2026. In the first place cost at 751 rands. Exorbitant cost 816, while low cost 710. The found the middle value of cost 760. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 763, change for June 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2026. In the first place cost at 763 rands. Exorbitant cost 829, while low cost 721. The found the middle value of cost